Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a simple way how you can easily delete your account or how you can cancel your account in Todoist. So let's start. The first thing that you want to do is just be in Todoist, and when you're gonna be here, go to right up corner to settings, and here you want to go on settings. And when you're gonna be here, you're gonna see your account here, and you just want to scroll down below, and you're gonna see delete my Todoist account, right? And you just add here your current password, and that's pretty much it. So thank you very much. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And yeah.